Hello, this is a short video just to demonstrate what we can do here in Delvo Engineering. This is a bar counter that was taken out of a pub in Dublin and it needs to be reconditioned and altered. As you can see, it requires a good cleanup, so let's go ahead and watch it being done. So the unit's just been cut in half. Well, not quite in half. The slop bucket section has been cut, and now we're going to just put on a new blank end. And this is done with a TIG welding plant. So this is a new sink bowl being put in beside the slop bucket, and it's again TIG welded and then polished to a fine finish. So here we are, all nice and shiny, ready to go back in. If you'd like to learn more about what we can do in Delvo, visit us at delvo.ie. Thanks for watching.